Before, well, we already put the new board in. So the new board is already on this one. That's a brand new board, ready for the credit card machine. New keypad and the machine. And so this is the outside. So this is what I'm about to do. I'm going to take off the trim so we can replace the brown paneling. So it's gonna look like this one. This is the one we did yesterday. All right, this one has the credit card machine on it. So let's get started. All right, so it's another hot day, y'all, and got my screwdriver. I'm already starting to sweat. All right, let's get started.
But it looks like you do it from the front. What?
Take the screw out. Because I remember he put that back. How do we get those things out?
Good.
I'm gonna go in and get something to drink.
Yeah, I'm just figuring out where I'm gonna put it or drill a hole. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole, but I'm not gonna run it in there.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that ain't this. Look, this. We had to take this out and change the motor. Everything is easy, you know. It's just a matter of knowing, hey, this is what I got to do first. You know, you was there. You only have one left, so that worked out. I'm waiting for him to tell me. I said I want to come. I want to come look at it today because Laurel is the same way. You got to go home.
Take out the.
Long as I mean, it's just look. Just look. This guy from the Bronx. Just look. Oh, he
did
put
this for you?
a black festival in Delaware for $2,500. You hold it all the way up like from the end, you'll see. So you would stand up in front of that and I take a picture.
Right.
That's Biggie with the halo. Remember when he died? They had that on the cover of Vibe magazine.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah. The guy did it. I'm surprised he didn't put the date. He normally put the year.
Oh, that's his phone number.
But he probably changed the phone number. This was years ago. We talking, when did he die? See what I'm saying? That's what we talking way back when, before I got into the union. As an electrician, this is what I was doing. I was hustling all the time. If you had a conversation with Dad about what I was doing, I was hustling all the time. I had cell phone beeper, paging, doing cable TV, everything. I'm gonna give you another one to lay on though, a different one. Something that ain't really hot. Some cardboard that's softer than this.
Well, I think I'm done unless you want me to put the screws back.
No, I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna put everything back. You could probably find new ones like this. It's gonna work.
Yeah.
Where you got it?
Yeah.
Sometimes it just don't pay to be all like, outspoken and shit. Like, I don't see any gain. I don't see anything to gain from that unless